You're standing by the shore when something straight out of a sci-fi movie cuts through the water. A dinosaur-looking lizard swimming like it belongs there. So stay calm and don't touch it. Crazy fact, this animal can actually shrink its body to survive harsh conditions.
Bro, what kind of creature looks prehistoric but moves through the ocean like a pro?
Quick question, what do you think is faster, a Cheetah or a Kawasaki Ninja H2R? Like, if you're Team Cheetah, share if you're Team Kawasaki Ninja H2R, and subscribe if you enjoy this content. That creature is a marine iguana, the only lizard on Earth that dives into the ocean to eat algae and sneezes out salt to survive.